So what is a down payment and what are your down payment options when buying a home? A down payment is the amount of money that you pay towards your home purchase that is separate from your mortgage balance. And lenders actually have requirements on these down payments based on how much it needs to be and where it can come from. The amount that it needs to be is referred to as your minimum down payment requirement. And this is generally a percentage, and it is going to be based on a percentage of your purchase price or the appraised value, and it would be the lesser of those two. They also have requirements on where your money can come from. So there is some examples of where it can come from would be your savings. So your bank account, checking and savings, could be CDs, could be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, any other investments that you have in your name. It can come from a gift from a relative in most cases. In some types of loans, gifts are not allowed, but it does need to be from a relative. It could also come from your employer, actually. And yes, I have seen some employers offer gift funds for a home purchase for their employees. These are cool companies to work for. Also, you can get your down payment from secured borrowed funds. So some people will take out a home equity line of credit against another property. I've seen some people finance a car that they might have paid off, that they have some equity there. In that case, you would be using the monthly payments in your budget to qualify, but it is an acceptable source. You can also get down payment assistance loans if you qualify and you're eligible for those. So those are some options. Some thoughts on where not to get your down payment funds would be not cash. We cannot use cash, including cash that was used to purchase a money order. So we always document where the money came from, and if you provide a money order as your evidence of down payment, we're going to have to trace where you got the money order. So it'll be traced back to a bank account, hopefully, that you have. Also, it can't be from a gift or a loan from a friend. These funds need to come from a relative. A side note on this, for investment properties, investment property home loans do not allow for gifts. So all funds used for purchasing of an investment property would need to come from your own funds. You also need to not get your down payment funds from unsecured borrowed funds. So no credit cards, no advances on loans, and things like that. So we always have to document where all money is being derived from for the purchase of your home, for your down payment and your closing costs. And on some loans, they require reserves after closing. All of this has to be documented. So if you have any questions on doing this correct, please reach out. We would like to help give any information to help avoid pitfalls and to make your life easier.